Uno, dos, uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
Hello.
I said a hip hop, the hip it, the hip it to the hip hip hop. You don't stop the rocket to the bang bang boogie. Say up jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie. Me, the groove, and my friends are gonna. I'm Wonder Mike, and I'd like to say hello. Up to the black, to the white, the red, and the brown. My voice, but I brought two friends along. And next on the mic is my man Hank. Come on, Hank, sing that song.
Check it out, I'm the CASN, the OVA at FLY. You see, I go by the code of the doctor. These reasons I'll tell you why. You see, I'm 6'1" and I'm tons of fun, and I dress to a T. You see, I got more clothes than Muhammad Ali, and I dress so viciously. I got bodyguards, I got two big cars that definitely ain't the whack. I got a Lincoln Continental and a some new Cadillac. So I got a color TV so I can see the niggas play baseball. Every time my checkbook, they got more money than a sucker could ever spend. But I wouldn't give a sucker or a punk from the rock and not a dime till I made it again. Everybody go, hotel, motel, what you gonna do today? Cause I'm gonna get a fly girl, gonna get some spank and drive off in a death OJ. Everybody go, hotel, motel, holiday inn.
Go another one. That's like 41.
Oh, Mellow is on you, so what you gonna do?
Well, it's on and on and on and on and on.
Hey, it's just me. Just wondering where you are. Just waiting for a lunch day. Bye.
Hello world, hear the song that we're singing. Come on, get happy.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
We get a happy feeling when we're singing a song.
Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence.